Hello developers, today I'll show you how you can use custom and downloadable fonts in your Android project. There is two different way. I'll show you two different way in this video. For that, I created a project named Different Font Demo. I'll use the custom font. Here you can see in my project I am creating a asset folder and then मैं शो इन एक्सप्लोरर में जाके जो फोल्डर ओपन हो रही है वहां पे फॉन्ट नाम के एक फोल्डर क्रिएट कर रही हूँ. You can see the font folder here in resource. Now मैं asset folder में एक TTF फाइल पेस्ट कर रही हूँ जो कि मैंने बाहर से डाउनलोड कर चुकी हूँ. Let's initialize. तो यहाँ पर मेरा एक बड़ा सा टेक्स्ट आ गया है एंड मैं यहाँ से स्ट्रिंग से कॉल कर रही हूँ. नाउ लेट्स एडजस्ट टू सेंटर. Vertically and horizontally need to give gravity. Center. Yes. Now I am giving a typeface. Let's give a name. And let's get the source file here programmatically. Yeah. Next I need to give the source file name. Let's copy from here. You need to go to refactor. Where it is? Yes, rename. Copy this, cancel and paste it. Now set typeface and this typeface name. Yeah. Let's run the project now. I'm using the real device, so it will take some time, not an issue. Let's wait. Yep. it's done. It's installing in my real device. I'll show you in the real device here. Yeah, you can check it. See, the type is different, means font is different, right? Now I will show you the another way where you can use the same with the, let's inactive this code. Right click and create a file. Give a name. Yeah. Here I am using a font with XML. Now call font family here and give the XML name as resource. Let's run the project now. Again, I'll show you in the real device. Guys, if you do not subscribe my channel, please do subscribe. Yeah, it's launching. See, the result is same. Thank you very much.